Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is Babu with another quick review of the Zolt charger. Right here, this beauty actually came in yesterday. I'm really excited to actually use this in real life. My biggest problem is actually carrying around a lot of chargers. For instance, right here. Whenever I travel, I do have a Windows laptop, and I kind of run a different software, that are games that I cannot use it in my Mac, and Mac is my primary computer. But whenever I travel, I end up actually traveling this and yada yada, another 200 other USB cables to connect with all your devices and crap, at least two or three. You know what I mean? So I just looked at this product and kind of waited and waited and waited, but finally I went ahead and placed the order and got it. I'll just show you the reason why I got it. Hopefully this actually going to change and replace kind of all the laptops out there, the chargers out there. It's going to create one uniform way to actually charge all the laptops. I mean, here are all the different laptops it supports, and if you place it here, you kind of know. For Z1, for example, Acer Z1, Asus Z3, and Z6. It's basically talking about the order of the numbers here. For example, if you have a HP laptop and a gateway laptop, right? So you don't need to really carry around two different chargers. You just need to carry around the Z1 and Z5, Z7, and Z10, which would be Z1, whatever the Z, whatever the Z10s, and your Z11s, and your whatever the Z10s, right? So the Z10. So it's basically all this little tiny the plugs, that goes in the front of the charger, that you could actually switch it. You know what I mean? It's pretty handy. For example, the way it works, you plug this in into the wall, and this on the top port is where your laptop charger, the primary cable goes that actually charges your laptop, and these two naturally charges your USB devices at the same time. So you could be charging three devices at the same exact time, right out of one charger, instead of actually lugging around two different charger, top of that and USB charger, maybe yet another USB charger. So you're actually adding a lot of weight, especially when you're traveling. Think about if you're traveling to abroad. It is just going to be a nightmare to carrying around, and just able to organize this. But if you have this one, you know, I would actually even order the second, version, so that you can actually have it as a backup if something goes wrong. But that's just me. But here is the charger. Let's just quickly see how it works. The way you do is you plug this guy inside, and of course it actually, there's a little socket right there. Oops. So there's a little socket right there. There's a hole in there. So in this charger, you would see there's a kind of a pin, kind of like, so that it actually goes inside and locks it. I thought you heard the sound. So that's how it locks it. So it kind of firmly sits in. You know what I mean? And also, you're not going to make a mistake of inserting this primary wire into the wrong socket. So here, of course, you have this open end. Of course, you cannot plug this anywhere until you choose the right adapter. For instance, I'm going to choose this Z9. I think Z9s generally go in a Lenovo laptops. It's kind of weird looking square one. So you basically plug this in and you're good to go. So this basically eliminates the need for carrying, especially this is great for students and artists who, happen to bump into other people all the time. And they were like, oh, do you have this charger, that charger? You always say, no, I don't. Well, when you have this, you can start making friends. That's another great thing. So because you could just help like any number of people out there, if they're in need, you could just like borrow your, charger. Not necessarily, if they're an emergency, you could help them. Um, anyway, I want to quickly see the weight saving with this guy. Let's see, I have a handy portable charger. I just want to change, kind of compare the weight between the actual unit itself. And here you could see I placed this guy. It's about 110 grams. or if you look at the ounces, oops, wrong button. So if you look at the ounces, it's not working now. Weird. Okay, I think you calibrated wrong. Sorry about that. Okay, now, so it's 3.8 ounces. Hope you can see that. And I'm just gonna place my max charger. It's 9.67, right? This alone, it's easily, it kind of doubles the weight of that. Top of that, I have this charger, which is 11.20. So combined weight is going to be somewhere around 22, right? 22 grams, or ounces, sorry. 22 ounces versus 3.8. So that is kind of the weight saving I'm talking about. This is kind of really immense, especially if you're carrying a backpack around, running around an airport. you know, like you don't need to lug around these things if it's possible. So that anyway, that's a quick review of the Zolt charger. I have used it a couple of times. Cannot really give you a reliability or anything like that, but it looks cool. It solves a lot of problems in the real world, so it's a wonderful product. I hope it works. Thank you guys, and hope you got something out of this review. Thank you very much.